So in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade your BTC back into GBP, pounds sterling, so that you can withdraw from Pro.Coinbase straight to your nominated linked bank account. So to start with, we need to go over to the left here where you can see the pair that I want to trade. I want to trade BTC back to GBP here. Now, if you wanted to trade BTC back to US dollars or euros or Canadian dollars, whatever, you would go here to select market at the top left here. You'd click the downward arrow and all of the pairs all the way down and beyond this, what's showing on the screen, you would just select the pair you want. We're going for Bitcoin to pound sterling. That's the market we've selected. And we now need to trade our Bitcoin back to British pounds. So you can see here, I've got a very small amount of Bitcoin and we're going to sell that. So we click on sell here. We're going to sell it for pounds sterling. Now, for the purposes of this very short demonstration, we're going to click the market price. You can, if you know how to do this, click the limit price and set your own price that you want to sell your BTC back to pound sterling for, but we're not going to do that. If you want to get into that, then you must school yourself on it. So for now, and to complete this transaction very, very quickly, which is what I often do, we're going to click on market price, which is the current price right at this time, what it's all worth. So I want to trade the maximum amount of BTC that I've got here. So you can see as I click that, that's the amount that I want to sell back to British pounds. If you wanted to do less, you would just fill in here the exact amount of BTC that you want to sell off. Okay, so we're going to do the maximum for this demonstration. You can see the fee here is 15 pence for me to do this quick trade. So I'm going to place the sell order by clicking here. You can see it's successful, and you go over to this lower middle part here and you can see the sell. I've sold the correct amount of BTC. I've sold it and it's cost me 15 pence to do that, and the order has been filled. If you go back up here to the top left, you can see that I've got no BTC there and it's all been traded, and I've now turned that into 44 pounds sterling. Now, to withdraw that to our nominated bank account that's linked with Coinbase, we click on withdraw. You can see this pop-up window. I want to withdraw GBP, British pounds, so I click on that. And I want it to go straight to my bank account. I don't want to do a SWIFT transfer, which is when you go through euros to then onto your British bank account. And I don't want it to go into my Coinbase.com wallet. I want it to go straight to my bank account. So I click on the chevron here, and you can see my nominated bank account here. That's where I want those pounds to go. So the amount that I want is all of it, 44 pounds. And then I click on withdraw GBP. Then we have to go to our phone and we have to check the digits for the 2FA authentication. I'm not going to do that because I don't actually want to withdraw that money to my bank account, but you would fill in your 6 digits here that you get from your phone, and then you would click withdraw GBP, and that's the transaction done. Now that is normally in your bank account almost instantly. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, so don't sweat the small stuff. So that I hope that's helped you. I hope you understand what I've shown you here. If there's any questions at all, then ask in the chat.